How to fix WhatsApp call problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this, and then on this page you have to wait a few seconds. And after you wait a few seconds, now all what you wanna do is scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. If you didn't find it, you can search for it right here in the search bar. Now click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on the data usage, disable all the permissions and enable them again. Go back, click on the storage, click on this clear cache to clear all the cache in the app, and last thing you want to do is click on power usage details, click on the app launch and disable the manage automatically option, click OK, and that's it. Now restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.